Let's talk about cerebellum. It is small in size but the largest part of the hindbrain. It has two hemispheres connected to each other through the vermis. Each hemisphere is divided into three lobes: anterior lobe, middle or the posterior lobe, and flocculonodular lobe. There are three fissures in the cerebellum. The first one is primary fissure that divides the anterior and the middle lobe. The posterolateral fissure separates the middle lobe from the flocculonodular lobe, and a horizontal fissure separates the superior and the inferior surface of cerebellum. Morphologically, it is divided into Archecerebellum that includes the flocculonodular lobe and lingula that controls bilateral movements for walking and maintains balance due to its rich vestibular connections. The second one is Paleocerebellum, which is made up of the anterior lobe, uvula and the pyramid of vermis. It maintains posture and muscle tone. The third one is Neocerebellum, which is made of posterior or the middle lobe. It controls fine movements. Functionally, cerebellum are divided into three zones. The first one, lateral zone, responsible for planning and coordinating movements of distal parts. Second is intermediate zone, controls the flexor group of muscles in the body. The third one, median zone, or also called as the vermis, controls extensor muscle group. Cerebellum has ipsilateral control over the body. It controls posture, tone and equilibrium. It coordinates with muscles to perform smooth and accurate movements while fine-tuning precise movements. Vermis has control over the axial muscles. Cerebellum also controls eyeball movements. It assists in learning new motor skills, and it also rectifies and alters ongoing movements.